Removing the PVL flywheel from your Briggs Stratton Animal, 206, or World Formula Racing engine requires a specially designed flywheel puller, part number 19584. With the blower housing and ignition module removed, place the strap wrench around the flywheel to hold the flywheel in place. Loosen the flywheel nut with a 15/16 inch socket and breaker bar while holding the flywheel with the strap wrench. Remove the flywheel nut and cup. Attach the flywheel puller part number 19584 to the flywheel. The center screw should be backed out enough so that the entire thread is engaged with the matching threads on the center hub of the flywheel. With a puller hand tightened to the flywheel, turn in the center screw until you feel it make contact with the crankshaft. At this point, 2 wrenches are required, one to hold the puller in place and the second to turn the center screw. The puller can be held in place with a 1 1/16 inch wrench or a large adjustable wrench. The center screw can be turned with a 3/4 inch or 19 mm socket. While holding the puller in place, start to tighten the center screw until you feel the flywheel break free from the crankshaft. The flywheel is now properly removed, and the puller can be removed from the flywheel. It is important to always handle your flywheel with care. Thoroughly inspect your flywheel before and after installing or removing to ensure its integrity. Never pry on or strike your flywheel. Any questions or concerns, please call your local racing dealer. A complete list of dealers are available online at www.briggsracing.com. Never reuse a damaged flywheel. If any damage is evident, the flywheel must be replaced.